So I have arrived at my room. So I have a huge walk-in closet, bathrobes, an iron, a umbrella, slippers, and a safe, and plenty of storage. Have a very well lit and stocked bathroom. Beautiful. They have all of the essentials that you need. I love the little touches like the fin. Have 2 washcloths. And this is a nice touch. Let's see. That's nice that they provide you with that. We have coconut soap, banana lotion, some Kleenex, some water, a nice cup, and more cute fins. And then you have me, I'm looking a hot mess, been traveling, you know. We have some towels, we have a hair dryer, and look at the cute trash can. And these are double sinks, his and hers. Oh, this is really nice. So over here you can store all your everything that you brought with you on your vacation. You can store them over there. That's really nice. I haven't seen a resort that has that storage area for all of your products. And then we have a nice walk-in shower. They give you an option for the rainfall, or you can have your personal head so that you can ensure the water goes wherever you want the water to go. It's nice. This is handicap accessible. And they also provide you with shampoo, conditioner, and body wash. Over here we have a toilet. Not much to talk about in there. It's not a bidet like Garza. And we have a soaking tub here. Now this soaking tub is not very wide, but it is deep. One person would fit very comfortably here. I love the fact that they have this handheld wash. I really love when tubs have this. Another nice touch is bath salts. Not many resorts provide you with bath salts and bubble bath. And again, they have plenty of towels for you. Plenty of towels, towels there, there. Plenty of towels. And again, we are at the Island Reserve, Cana, Margaritaville. Have a huge full body mirror. Then we have a nice big king bed. I hope it's comfortable, hopefully. We have our switches, and then we have our plugs here. I love the decor. One nice feature about this resort is they provide you with flip-flops. Isn't that so cute? And you can take these home with you. These are your flip-flops to take, if I'm not mistaken, I think. I mean, yeah, because you don't want to walk around in someone else's shoes. So yes, these are yours to take, guys. And then they also provide you with beach towels, which they also have at the pool for you as well. But yes, there's beach towels there. We have a phone where we can order room service. Not sure what's going on with my TV. I'll have to check that out later. Nice pictures on the wall. If life gives you limes, make margaritas. And they have a shaker, a lime juicer. They have everything you need over here to make a margarita. So perfect. Now, one interesting thing about Margaritaville is they do provide you with a couple of goodies. I don't know why I always start from the wrong side. They do provide you with a couple of goodies in your mini bar. However, on your bracelet, which is right here, this is also your room key, if it can focus. You have points on this bracelet. And with your points, you can stock your mini bar, basically customize your mini bar the way you like it. Snacks, drinks, and I'll show you all the market where you go to get all of those extra goodies for your mini bar. But for now, they provided me with some Presidente, some Coke, and water. Now, water you do not have to use your points for, but everything else you will need to use your points if you want more than what's in here. They also have a nice espresso machine. There's a little espresso cups, coffee cups. Escape the daily grind. I know that's right, guys. Call and travel with Ashley so that you can escape the daily grind. We'll talk about my view later. I have an awesome view. And so sweet. They provided me with some nice fruits. A nice note from the manager is in there. So here's a seating area. Lamp. Little ottoman. So this is going to be my room for the next couple of days. Thank you, Margaritaville. I'm loving everything so far. All right, now let's look at this view. All right, guys, so you need to make sure that your door is closed if you want to ensure that the air conditioning continues to work. So outside we have a nice, really deep couch lounger here. Really nice and deep. You can definitely lay out right here. Now this is so that you can hang your bathing suits so that they can dry. You have a nice table. That'd be real nice to have breakfast out here in the morning. It's 24-hour room service. And then we have 2 other couches. And this balcony is really, really big. Like, I'm walking like 10 steps back and forth. So it's really big. And look at my view. Thank you, Charisma. Now over here are villas, guys, and you all will see those later on in the trip, but these are the Margaritaville villas, and that is an adult only section over there. That's an adult only section. And here we have the main pool. Now one thing about this resort, it is brand new still. But it may not be as lively as you want. They definitely have music going. They have the bars, plenty of drinks, and the drinks are really good. But if you want to like party hardy, this may not be the resort for you right now. When it gets more popular, I'm sure to be, really jumping. But it's a very nice vibe though. Definitely a nice vibe. I believe here we have, well, they used to have hammocks there. Last time I came, there were a bunch of hammocks right here. So I'm not sure where those hammocks went. And right here, I think this used to be the kids club right here, if I'm not mistaken. It doesn't look very kid friendly right now. But I believe that was the kids club last time I came. There you see 2 jacuzzi hot tubs. Now I did not test the water over here, but I did hear that the water is very hot. And this is Margaritaville Cana Island Reserve. And there's more pools over there, family-friendly pools over there. And I have a beautiful view of the ocean. And I saw that they were doing some like exercises in that little pavilion right there. Yeah, guys. Let me know if you have any questions. And this over here is Sanctuary Cap Cana. It looks like an abandoned building from where we're standing, but it's actually a gorgeous resort. But that has nothing to do with Margaritaville right now. But yes, guys, let me know if you have any questions.